Hey, what's up guys? So I'm going to teach you how you can get the dark theme on YouTube and also check your watch time. That is the amount of time that you have been spending watching videos on YouTube and a couple of other features. But just note that to get these features, you need to update to the latest version of the YouTube app on your smartphone. So make sure that you have updated the app to the latest version from Play Store. So once you've done that, go into the app and at the top right corner where you can see your channel logo, so you will click on that and here you see that you have my channel, time watched and a number of other options. So if you want to get the dark theme, you come down and go to settings. In settings you go into general, which is the first option, and over there you can see that the second option is dark theme. So if you toggle the switch on the right, there you go. As simple as that, your dark theme is enabled. And if you want to get out of it, tap that again and you're done. I personally love the dark theme. I feel that during the night when I'm watching YouTube videos, the dark theme puts less strain on my eyes. So it's much better that way. And above that, you have the remind me to take a break. So this is when, say, all of us are constantly watching videos on YouTube and it's not always the most healthy habit. I mean, we remain stationary, we sit for a long time, or our eyes get strained. So if you put this reminder here, if you toggle on that, so by default YouTube will remind you to take a break, from watching your videos, maybe take a walk or have a glass of water. So the reminder frequency is 1 hour and 15 minutes, but if you want, you can toggle that. You can keep it to 1 hour or half an hour, as much as you want it, whatever it be. So that is a good feature and it's really nice for YouTube to actually think about its viewers. And below that, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if you see this option, double tap to seek, it's that when you are watching a video and you want to skip forward a little bit, so while you're watching the video, if you quickly double tap on the right side of the screen on the video, your video will forward 10 seconds. And if you double tap on the left side of the video, it'll go back 10 seconds. So it's a good way to not have to, bring up the progress bar and slide it. You can actually just go 10 seconds. If you tap it 4 times, it'll take you 20 seconds. 6 times, it'll take you 30 seconds. So you get the logic. So it's a very, very nifty and useful feature. Now, apart from that, if you go to time watched, which is the second option, over here you can see that it shows me how much you've watched. So for me, today I've watched 9 minutes of video. Yesterday it was 1 hour 10 minutes. Past week was this. Daily average is 17 minutes. So this gives you a stat of how much exactly you are spending your time on YouTube. And I think it's a good feature because it gives you a perspective of how much time you're actually spending on YouTube. And it's a good way to track your usage of time. So these are some nifty features added by YouTube, guys, and you can check them out yourselves. Just make sure to update to the latest version of YouTube. Anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to PRcast9 for more videos. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.